children, a very good morning. How are you? Now we are discussing our 10th chapter, Tale of a Stick. What do you mean by tale? Tale means story. So here we are discussing story of a stick. We have discussed so many types of sticks, and in this lesson a stick, how he helped the old woman. And while he is walking, he met so many people like toad, cat, hen, then farmer brown, cow, and finally he became the friend of old woman. The old woman is bent over, she could not walk. A stick helped her to walk. That's the story. So we have discussed it in the previous class, and we are going to discuss true or false questions from this lesson and also the question answers. So all of you look at the board. Lesson 10, Tale of a Stick. Write T for true or NT for not true. Here they are given 5 sentences. We can read that one. Then if it is true, you can write the T. If it is false, you can write the NT, not true. So the sentences, first one, toad was yellow in color. Second one, cat so fury ran away. Third one, hen so cluckety started picking stick. Fourth one, farmer brown hit the hen. And the last one, stick stayed with the old woman. That's how the sentences. So the first one, toad was yellow in color. Toad means the frog. Is it yellow in color? No, it is green in color. So this is false, not true. So here we can write NT. NT, that means not true. Second one, cat so fury ran away. And after toad, our stick met the cat. And the cat was very worried about that, and that's why he ran away. So the sentence, cat so fury ran away. Is it true or not true? Yes, that is true. So here we can write T. And the third sentence, hen so cluckety started picking stick. And after cat, he met a hen and started to pick at the stick. What do you mean by pick? Yes, bite something in the beak. So our hen started to pick at the stick. So here the sentence is, hen so cluckety started picking stick. Is it true or not true? Yes, true. That is true. So here we can write T. And the fourth one, farmer brown hit the hen. Farmer brown hit the hen. Farmer brown hit the hen or cow? Yes, farmer brown hit the cows. So this is not true. So here we can write NT for not true. And the fifth sentence, stick stayed with the old woman. Stick stayed with the old woman. Is it right? Yes, finally our stick became the friend of old woman. He helped the old woman to walk. So our stick stayed with the old woman. Is it true or not true? Yes, that is true. So here we can write the letter T for true. So I will read the sentences once more. First one, toad was yellow in color. That is not true. Second one, cat so fury ran away. That is true. Third one, hen so cluckety started picking stick. That is true. Fourth one, farmer brown hit the hen. That is not true. And fifth one, stick stayed with the old woman. That is true. Stick stayed with the old woman. That is true. And now we can discuss the question answers from this lesson.
Answer the following. The first question, what is the sound that stick makes? What is the sound that stick makes? Yes, stick makes the sound click, clack, clunk. Stick makes the sound click, clack, clunk. The second question, why did stick run away from hen? Why did stick run away from hen? Answer, stick ran away from hen because hen started to peck him with her beak. Stick ran away from hen because hen started to peck him with her beak. The third question, what was Farmer Brown doing when Stick met him? What was Farmer Brown doing when Stick met him? Answer, Farmer Brown was going home when Stick met him. Farmer Brown was going home when Stick met him. Fourth question, describe the old woman. Describe the old woman. How can we describe that old woman? Yes, the old woman is bent over and has a grey scarf. The old woman is bent over and has a grey scarf. All of you write neatly this question answer in your notebook and write and study well.
So we have discussed the question answer. Now we can see the think and answer questions from page number 64. So here, do you think the old woman was happy? Why? Here they are given the question. Do you think the old woman was happy? Why? Do you think so? Yes, she wore a grey color scarf and she became so happy. How did you understand? Yeah, because our old woman is bent over, she could not walk. She is searching for a help. At that time, our streak met our old woman and he asked the old woman, do you need me? And what was the reply? She said, yeah, a good day, a fine day, a lucky day, because she was searching for a help. So we can understand that one, our old woman was so happy to get the streak. And here they are given, tell your teacher how you can help these people. Here they are given three people's name. First one is your friend. Second one, your neighbor, those who are living near to your home. Then your parents. See, do you help your friends? Did you help your parents? Did you help your neighbors? So you can tell your experience with your parents, or if you want to talk to your teacher in the live session, you can share your ideas with your teachers. Okay. This lesson our streak helped the old woman because she needs a help to walk. So what we learned from this lesson? Yes, we should be useful and helpful to others. So our streak taught the lesson through this lesson. Finally, our streak helped the old woman to walk and the old woman became so happy to get our streak. So children, you should be useful and helpful to your friends, neighbors, your parents, okay. All of you read the lesson and write the notes in your English notes. We can meet in the next classroom with our grammar topic and we'll meet again. Thank you.